Margie, what are the benefits of acupuncture, even in the situation where you might still need surgery?
Well, I mean, after you have surgery, it can help speed up the healing process because you're stimulating that area, and so blood flow's coming there and everything, and it's going to help it heal better. Hi, this is Margie. Just wanted to say thank you for watching my video. If there's any questions that I can answer that I haven't answered here for you, just give me a call and I would be glad to help or answer those questions. And mention where you saw me from this video, and I will offer you a 10% discount. Thanks again for your time.